Alright, today we have some potassium permanganate and some sugar. And yeah, well, just pull a little bit out of there. Nothing, right? Alright, now watch this. Add a little bit to it. Add a little bit of sugar. Now, watch this. Kind of want to mix it up a little bit. Voila! Imagine that. Flames. Woohoo! Simple, easy. Be out camping, a little sugar, a little potassium permanganate. But, I'll be honest with you, who carries around permanganate? Just go get a freaking Bic, man. Look, literally, it's just grab some freaking weeds in the freaking thing, start a fire, just that easy. Yeah, that's how you do a campfire. Just get all your stuff together, get a little bit of wood together, and you'll be good to go. Anyways. $0.50, because like everyone just does not carry potassium permanganate around. Or sugar, you gotta use the sugar for your coffee, you know. Anyways, hey, like, subscribe today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll catch you on next one. You only need a little bit of sugar. You get your sugar mixed up a little bit. It doesn't seem to do it as much. See how much easier it is to just have a Bic. Finally, kind of flames. Here we go. Woo! We got some flames. Look at that. You do have to tinker with it. Oh, this still stinks. Don't breathe it. Yeah, that's supposed to be for camping. Really? Nah. It's cool though. It makes flames. I like making flames. But still, I'll stick with my Bic. Yeah, so much easier. Just flick the Bic and you're good to go. Anyways, figured I'd play with a little bit of potassium permanganate today and try to make some flames, which I did. So, as you see, a couple of different spots and the pan, and a few more experimentations. Anyways, I'll catch you guys on the next one.